Most businesses think they're secure, but there are two massive security holes lurking in your Google Workspace right now. Ignoring them is a recipe for disaster. Here's how to plug those gaps fast. Now, let's start with the two biggest wins to keep your organization secure: enforcing strong passwords and two-factor authentication. In your admin console, you can click the hamburger button in the upper left-hand corner. It'll show the tree where you can walk through the steps manually. So on the right, you're in the two-step verification section. So you want to make sure that allow users to turn on two-step verification is checked. You want to turn on enforcement of two-step verification. And because we're doing this for the first time, you want to give them a grace period. So new users enrollment period is 1 week. You could just select the setting underneath there, users enroll, so 1 week. That gives them a grace period until our Google Workspace enforces it for them. We also want to check one of the key settings below, methods. You want to force users to use the most secure methods of two-step verification. So any accept verification codes via text and phone call, because those are the least secure ways of doing it. Definitely the Authenticator app, like Google Authenticator app, is the most secure way of doing it. And then while we're in the same section here, under authentication, we can do the second one. Oh yeah, you want to save your changes that you've made before you move on. So if on the left there, password management is where you can enforce strong passwords. Strong passwords require a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. And a strong password will not allow you to use password 123 or Monday 27. And trust me, I have seen in my previous organizations people using passwords this week and on a sticky note under their keyboard. So you want to set a minimum length. So we recommend 10 to 12 characters as a minimum length. So you're enforcing strong passwords, you're enforcing a length of 10 to 12 characters. And then you also want to uncheck, make sure allow password reuse is unchecked. Because obviously, if people are reusing the same password over and over again, it's a lot easier to hack that. Okay, so again, once you save these settings, then you are enforcing strong passwords. So the next time they change their password, it has to be a strong password. So these are the two biggest bang for your buck changes to make sure your organization's data is safe.
If you need more help with what we've covered in this video, itGenius provides support services to businesses all over the world with problems just like this. Click the link below to get started.